Want to write a review? So we went to the Dollar General and I bought this shit. It's only $1. And this. And you know what? All the years I've been buying stuff for my face, that shit works. And it's only $1 each. Just so you know. I'll show you the results. But it's so itchy! Ugh. You guys never get to see the old girl. See the inside kitties. Nicest kitty in the world. Yes, she is. Yeah. What are you doing? Huh? Now for the entertainment, watch this. Every day she does that. What you doing, girlfriend? What you doing, baby? He gave you something nasty to eat, didn't he? But you liked it. Look at that booty. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. What's she doing? Yeah. Hey. Hellion. Hellion. That's your name. Yes, that's your name. That's your name. That's your name. Kitty, 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 kitties. Kitty, kitties. Kitty, kitty, kitties. What you want? What you want? You want to be on camera? Crazies. Crazies. Good morning, guys. Another beautiful day over here, South Carolina. Hopefully it's not going to be 105 again. That kind of sucked. Oh, we'll talk about that stuff I put on my face. What do you think? I shaved too. You like it? Even though I just, got out of the shower and shaved and cleaned myself up like I'm getting ready to get in a tuxedo or something. Nah, that ain't it. We're going to push the lawnmower around here a little bit, I think. Try to straighten some of this up. Finish it up from what I started yesterday. That little bonfire that I had. I need my selfie stick, huh? I left it in Ohio. That way you can go out even further. Might have to make something. I got a roll of duct tape and a bunch of sticks. Oh wait, I already burned all the sticks. It's just gonna take me a minute to get off my ass because I'm feeling pretty damn lazy today. These cats are something else. What are you doing? What are you doing? Blackie. Black kitties. Black kitties. You're too damn excited for no reason. All by yourself. You kind of look like me when I'm playing with myself. We got a couple more here. Can I say hi? You always keep running away like a little bitch. Why you do that? Huh? You let me pet you some days, and then the rest of the days you run. See? Look. What's wrong? Come here. Oh, you pussy. I am laughing at my stupid self right now. I walked all the way down here to get the damn trash can, and I noticed the mailbox was broken, hanging on by like a half a screw, and I forgot to get the trash can. This is a long ways down the damn driveway to do all this. There's a locust. I'm gonna try and dig this gate out too and fix it. Somebody came in here and fucking wrecked the damn garage door and that. Trying to get a jet ski out of here or something. I'll tell you what, you get your walking in around here. There's a brand new house like on the other side of those trees right there. Yep. At least it's downhill when it's full. Apparently the mailbox is falling off the pole, so what was those movies where they have riding in the car with a baseball bat playing mailbox, what is it called? You know what I'm talking about. Anybody ever watch Stand By Me, that movie? Anyways, she's looking a little off her rockers there, isn't she? I might have to go find a couple new pieces of board, because however they did this was not right. I got a much better idea, I think. Oh my. There's some spider webs. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we got screws. So I ain't gotta find screws. We just need to find a board. Okay. Don't worry, Ivan's got this. Just hope we can find a 2x4 that's twice this long and cut it in half. I'm gonna fix the hell out of it. I'm just sitting here thinking, like, I could have left the tools in the mailbox at least. I mean, that's a long walk. You do that about 15 times a day. You guys really thought I was kidding when I have to go shopping every time I come. Oh, look, there's a 2x4 right there. That's a hard one. What else do we got? Ooh, I like the looks of this. Whatever this is. Yeah, we take that. Let's see what else. Oh, Jesus. I need some screws and nails or something. I've seen some screws somewhere. You know what? I don't even remember where the hell I seen them at. Ooh. Yeah, let me find some screws here. We're about to get to screwing something. I'm coming for you. Mean business, baby. Man, you kind of forget like how long a damn driveway this thing is. I didn't fetch with screws in my pocket because I didn't want to get poked. You know what I mean? Oh, here we go. Yep. Well, I guess it's just gonna start recording it. Regardless, whatever, right? She's just gonna fall apart. Don't lose the screws, we're gonna need them. Shit about working on the side of the fucking road. Whatever, right? Don't lose the screws. Dang. Well, there's your problem. I'm gonna have to put another post in here. No, you know me. I'm gonna be lazy. And I'm gonna screw one right up against next to it. Well, this is gonna be fun. Yes, indeed, it's going to be fun. Get your ass. I mean, why wouldn't there be one bent one at least? You guys too far away or something? I don't know how to film this shit. We are seriously on the side of the damn road. Trying to salvage some screws real quick because I'm not gonna go look for them. I don't know if that one's got another round in her or not. I am sweating balls, guys. Ooh. That one is definitely bent. Okay. Well, we just got to make do with that. Let me see here. What does it look like when I put? Why do they have to nail the sign? Fuck, am I gonna have to move that? I'm not really sure. Never really mounted a mailbox before, so you know, don't judge me. I could do. Wait a minute. Damn. What? Why? Okay. Here's what's gonna happen. We're just gonna screw one of these up flat, like so. Here, instead of just talking about it, let's just do it. And get your ass ran over, Ivan. This screw gun better hold out. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Regardless, if I only get one side, it's going to be better than what it was. I'm thinking. Don't get ran over now. This is too much fun. Uh-oh. This is hard. You try doing YouTube. Ooh. Baby. New drill. Don't do that. Are you fucking serious? And the bit fell out. Something's telling me I'm not supposed to be doing this shit. Good God. Where'd the damn bit go? Motherfucker, man. I got another one. Oh, I found it. Oh my God. Yeah, I guess. Damn it. Apparently we got a country neighbor over here. That's good. She's not gonna go in any more than that. And if I fuck that up anymore, we're not gonna be doing anything. So, here's what we're gonna do. Wiggly wobbly jump. Listen. Listen. Just gotta screw down the other side a little bit. Right? Can I fit this up there? Hell no. That'd be too fucking easy. What about some of this old wood here? Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna go on one side and I'm gonna put one inside, but this fucking road's getting busy. I gotta hurry the fuck up. Tetherbone, snaggletooth, what do they call it? This motherfucker is not gonna be going no damn where when I'm done. Okay. Snaggletooth grip it is. Going at an angle. Run her home! Baby. She's fixed. Alright, so listen. I'm first one to admit my little faults. See how I fucked up there? I'm just gonna scoot her back. Luckily I cut her short enough, huh? There! Much better. I am dripping so much sweat on my phone right now. Woo! She's fixed. I gotta put you down just so I can like hang up and stuff. Okay, you bunch of freaks. I asked you what this was. Nobody answered it. Nobody knows what it is. Right? It's a caging bolt. Okay, so like on semis, they got the air brakes, whatever. You stick this in there and you twist it. You see the little heads on it. You twist it and then you tighten down the bolt and it releases the brakes. That's why it has to have air pressure in order for the damn truck to move. If you can't build air pressure, you ain't going no damn where. So you just put these in there and then make it roll. Fun fact, I drove trucks when I was in the military. 3533 LVS operator, look it up. Look up LVS for the Marine Corps. You see the type of trucks I was driving. Yo, it's hotter than hell here. Sit in front of my best friend right here. What would you do? The hot tub's got cold water in it. It's time! Listen. It's a beautiful thing. And right now, it's like ice cold. I gotta let it warm up a little bit. Otherwise, it might fuck my manhood. While we're waiting, let's have a word from our sponsor. I don't have no fucking sponsors. You wish, I wish. Anyways, like, so we got this weird ass thing in the mail. Look, you can go play tennis or ping pong or something. That's an awfully big ping pong paddle. But, okay, I don't even know what the hell it is. She said something about it's for pain. I don't know, I suck at the camera. Look at this baby plugs in. You know it's got to be good for you. Wow, look at that cord. Alright, what are we supposed to do here? Put it on my back and then jump in the hot tub? User manual. I don't think. Large gel pad. Standard gel pad. Standard gel, okay. So you know what it is? Take this little gadget gizmo. There's a pad in there. I don't want to open it up. Maybe later, but that sticks on the pad and then like you stick it to you know, wherever it hurts. They shouldn't let me out of the house, huh? Maybe we'll go ahead and stick that baby on like as soon as we get out of this little bad boy over here. No peeking! I'm naked! I said no peeking. Okay, I'm ready! Now you peek. My bleached underwear. Watch me fall in this bitch. Dude, it's still cold. Ah! Drop the phone too, you weirdo. Just get dunked in. Oh, once you get the gyms in there, it should be alright, right? I don't think so. It still takes me like a half an hour to get the hell in. Woo, baby. You know some of the stupid ass things that I do. I told you I want to be different. Gotta be different. Ah! Yeah, baby. What's up? What a pool. It's cold. It feels good though. Oh my god. That's how you do it, boys and girls. How do you guys get cooled off? You know what's crazy? People who live out in the country, they say, it's so boring, there's nothing to do. Maybe you should get yourself a hot tub. Go mow the yard, start a YouTube channel. I'm just being me. You know, it's whatever. Oh, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Twinkle time. Alright, now it's getting fucking weird. You're watching me too much. Why is this recording? Oh. Oh. Oh my! Oh my! Better get it, get it, get it, get it! The joys of having a hot tub right here. Oh god, I gotta touch that now. Till next time, my friend. Alright. Let's finish this off with the Holy Grail, or whatever this fucking standard gel pad thing is. Where am I going to need help putting this on? Are we supposed to read the instructions? Oh wait, she said something. You have to scan the stupid thing and put an app on your phone in order for this stupid thing to work. Why is everything gotta be connected to your damn phone? Damn it, dude, I don't do that. I'm not even gonna try it. I don't know. She says she got it for free at work or whatever. Cool. Take it back. So, alright guys. I'm gonna end this one right here. I don't know. Hopefully you guys like my humor. I kind of like try to like throw a little bit of everything in there. Whatever. I like to be different. You see how everybody's following each other on damn YouTube? Listen, I don't do that. We do not do that. I might do something similar to it, but that's not intentional. It's not because I watched their video. Yeah, they give me some dumbass ideas. Whatever, right? You got some dumbass ideas. Why don't you put them down there in comments? Other than that, hit that like and subscribe. There's a splash button, I think, right here in the corner. You hover your little mouse over it or something, and you click on it. It's gonna say subscribe, baby. We're getting there, ain't we? Yo, and it's all to you guys. Thanks. I love you guys. I hope you have a blessed day. Anyways, get out of here. Peace. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Oh, for 12 cents a day, you can feed this little kitten right here. It's just starving. She is not starving. You want to say bye, kitties? Say bye, YouTubes. Come on, girl. Oh. Say bye-bye, baby. We gotta clean your ears again, or your eyes. Huh. I got you. We're gonna do that here in a minute. Say bye-bye, baby. Just said, leave me the fuck alone.